Selling a book for the first time with Facebook ads is one of the easiest sales you'll ever make until you try to scale past $3,000 to $4,000 per day. Then suddenly it's not your offer that sucks, it's that you've run out of obvious buyers. And the solution isn't better ads, it's building a funnel that speaks to different levels of awareness. You see, at low ad spend Facebook, Meta finds the people who are already ready to buy. And they're what Eugene Schwartz would call the most aware. They already want the result, they already believe a solution exists, and they just need an easy checkout. But here's the thing, when you scale and when you spend more, you expand the audience and you start hitting people with earlier stages of awareness, problem aware and solution aware. And if you send those people straight to your book opt-in page, your book buy page, they bounce. This is no secret, right? This is straight out of Eugene Schwartz's breakthrough advertising. The big idea is simple. People don't buy when you're louder and you get more impressions and you spend more. They buy when the message matches what they already believe. So I've got a book funnel. We spent over $1 million on that book funnel and it's worked really well for us, right? But as we continue to try and scale, and trust me, we've been through 2 agencies, it hasn't worked, right? They've tried lots of different creatives and lots of different segments and lots of different campaigns and all sorts of different bidding strategies, but it just doesn't work. Start of 2026, we decided to stop guessing and build a campaign around awareness. And that's what we call our domino funnel. The domino funnel is where each stage of our funnel has a job and each stage knocks over the next one, much like dominoes. So it goes like this. 1, Facebook ad. 2, we give away free chapters of our book. We have SMS follow-up, we have what we call a bridge page, and then a cart page, and then we have our upsells, okay? So instead of trying to force one page to do all the work, we spread the persuasion across multiple steps and multiple stages. So the first stage is the Facebook ad, and this is cold traffic. So we're not aiming at most aware people here. We're aiming at people who are problem aware or maybe solution aware. The ad's job is not to close and not to sell. It's to create curiosity and get a micro commitment. So our micro commitment is simple, okay? Inside my business, what we do is when we work with a client, we send a 2-line SMS to the client's old leads, and it has an incredible response rate, okay? And what happens after the people get back to the SMS is we use AI to turn those reactivated leads into appointments and sales, okay? And what we do is we say, if you'd like to find out what our 2-line SMS is, click below. And you can see all this later, right? But like click below and we'll send it to you, okay? So it's a different stage of the awareness cycle, okay? And we also give away 3 chapters of our book, and I'll explain that to you in a sec. I'll be super honest, we're very early testing this. We've literally only been running this domino funnel for a couple of weeks. And I'm not here pretending, we've got it perfect, but the early signals are strong. So if you sell a book via Facebook or Meta ads or any type of ads, this is really good news, right? We're seeing leads come in at $1 per lead. And once someone opts in, they're not just browsing, okay? They've already raised their hand, they're interested. And the next stage is the SMS, okay? And SMS is a different awareness stage to the Facebook ad. The ad is cold, and the SMS is warm because now they're in your world, now they're in Flexible's world. So the SMS moves people from solution aware towards product aware. And this is the part that's working insanely well already. From Facebook lead ads, we're getting a 50% response rate from our SMS, okay? So $1 per lead, $2 per conversation, okay? From people that might be interested in making money with AI. And why is it so high? Because this 2-line SMS is doing what a sales rep would do, except it does it instantly, consistently, and there's no dropped leads. So there's no, sorry, I was busy. No, I forgot to follow up. No days off. Okay, so now we've got the Facebook ad working. We've got super cheap replies to our SMS. We send people to our bridge page, okay? And this is the most critical part in the entire funnel because most people are not ready to buy yet. They're interested, but they have some friction. They're asking questions like, will this work for me? Do I need to be techie? What happens after I buy the book? Is this legit? And the honest truth at this stage is we haven't quite cracked the bridge page, but we have been guessing. We wrote some copy, we put the first 3 chapters up, and we just kind of set it live to see what would happen. And that can get expensive, okay, when you start spending money on getting ads into your funnel, into your awareness funnel, our domino funnel. So what we decided to do, and this is such a breakthrough in the AI world, is we've installed an AI live chat on the bridge page. And the reason this is so exciting is because if we were doing live chat the old way, right, you might have some automations that were going into it, but live chat would, you've probably all been on a live chat website, right, where it says, let's chat, and then you go to the next stage and it just puts a contact form in your way, right? There's no one really manning the chat. It's very unusual for that to happen, okay? Or if there is some automation, like on the British Airways website, for example, it just drives you insane. Because in reality, live chat needs staff, they need coverage, and most of the time, anyone that's installing it on a website is missing a ton of messages. But AI live chat scales, and the goal isn't to close people. The goal on our bridge page is to find out what the market is thinking. What objections do they have? What are they confused about? What do they love? What's stopping them from buying? And this is the big takeaway. On the bridge page, we let the market do the marketing, because the market is going to tell us what we need to fix next on this bridge page, if we actually listen to it, right? Our live chat will talk to the person and go back and forth and find out all of these things, the objections and what's good about our page, okay? And then every morning, what we're doing is we're asking AI to send the collated chats, the positives and the negatives, over to a summary in Slack, so we can come in each morning and find out what we need to change on that page. Okay, this is just insane. We can instantly see what to improve, what to clarify, what to add, and what to remove. Okay, and that's how we improve this bridge page daily. We let the market do the marketing. And then after the bridge page, we hit the cart page. The cart page is for the most aware people. Okay, they've already been through our ad, they've already got the SMS, they've already been through the bridge page. They might have already chatted to live chat, okay? And they've hit the cart page. They don't need a story. They just need clarity and a smooth checkout, because cart pages don't build belief. They convert belief. And that's why sending cold traffic to a cart and expecting them to buy is so hard, okay? Because the cart really isn't designed to teach. So to recap, yeah, selling, you probably experienced this if you've got a book funnel. It's easy at low spend. But when you scale, it gets hard because you go into different pockets of awareness. And that's why we built our domino funnel based on Eugene Schwartz. We've got the Facebook ad, which is cold awareness, the free chapters to build intent. We've got SMS for warm follow-up. We've got a bridge page to handle objections. And we've got a cart to convert the most aware. And our secret weapon is the AI live chat, because it lets us stop guessing and it allows the market to do the marketing. This is so important. Okay, and a lot of people miss this. So if you want to go through our domino funnel and see exactly how this works, the link is in the description. I'm out. See you later.